You know the questions you ask about your business every week. Sometimes a standard report doesn't quite have the answer you're looking for. Previously, we looked at shaping Rundoo's default reports. Now we'll build one of your own, so the exact numbers you need are always just one click away. Let's build a report for a common question. Who has an overdue balance? We'll start by heading over into Analytics and click into Reports. Now, reminder, we went through all of these default reports that we have saved here. But for now, what we're going to look is at Create Report in the top right-hand corner. Let's click that to open. This first choice is the most important, the base data. Think of it as deciding what each row in your report will be. For a call list, we want each row to be a customer. So we're going to choose the customer's data set. Once this opens, we'll see that we've got a date range. We want to make sure that this is set to all time, so we don't miss any older accounts. Next, under Select Columns, we'll add the information we need so that we can see who we should contact and get the information so we can actually contact them. At the top, I can see all of the information that is currently on this report. The customer, the balance total, credit limit, name, and primary location. A few things are missing that I want to add on. One is the phone number. I need that in order to make the call. The other is the balance total. For this, I really want to focus on the older balances, those 61 plus days. So I'll click on that. Now, what we want to do is make sure that those that owe the most money are showing up at the top. How we do that is we click into Sort and we click the column we want to sort by. We want to focus on those overdue payments from more than 60 days. So let's sort by that column. They're all zeros. That doesn't seem right. Let me click into that again. It's set to ascending. Let's make sure that we put that as descending. Whoa, I can see really large balances right up the top, just as I want to. Once this looks right, click Save. Nothing's permanent until you do. Rundoo gives it a default name, but let's give it a better one. Click the little pencil icon and name it for the job it does, like Past Due Customers Call List. That way, your whole team knows exactly what it's for. Your new report now lives in the main page. I can find it by searching for Past Due Customers Call List or by sorting by Created Date and make sure it's descending. So in a month's time, if you want to look at this report again, you can find it in here and click in. The information that's on it is going to be from the time that you generated it last. But we need to make sure that we've updated all of the information. We do that by clicking More and Refresh Data. That means if a customer has already paid their bills, they will be removed from this new regenerated list. But say you want to keep each of the reports as a way of comparing them in the future. You can also click Duplicate. So in this instance, you see the name has changed to Copy, but all of the other information has stayed the same. You could change the name by adding in July 2026 and click Save. And because these reports are shared with your team by default, they can find them when they log into POS on the left-hand side, down by Reports. Another easy way to share it with them is by clicking on More, copy link, and sending it to them by email or text message. And that's it. You've turned a question you ask all the time into a permanent one-click answer. This is your practice store, so feel free to build a few reports that fit your daily routine. And that wraps up our look at reporting in Rundoo. Any questions? Ask Rundoo AI or your Rundoo guide. We're here to help.